This is the life in the province. If you want to feel relaxed or if you want to relax, you will just go to the field under the tree. You will put this one and then you will feel relaxed. So here in the Philippines, it's so hot, but now you can relax if you will play a swing under the tree, under the mango tree. Yeah, you can feel relaxation. Mhm. Mm-mm. In the field, in the farm, so relaxing. If you have a bamboo tree, you can do your little house, little rest house. It's so relaxing. So this is the life of the farmer. This is the things they use in the pipe they use in watering their plants, the corn, the rice. They use the water pump. They have the water pump. They already harvest the corn that they planted there. So here they are. Almost done. Wing, 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 wing. Again, Benny, my nephew, playing. Serving them. So this is the busy life in the farm, in the field. Here in the province of Pangasinan, this is my hometown. So I miss this place. After 3 to 4 years, I am here again to visit my hometown.